In this video, we're going to have a look at the National 5 numeracy question that regards foreign exchange. A few wee bits of background information you need to be aware of before we get started. If we are going from pounds to a foreign currency, so if we are, for example, changing pounds into dollars, we would multiply by the relevant exchange rate. If we were going the other way, if we had dollars and we wanted to go back to pounds, we would divide by the exchange rate. Once we've got this, we can access this question. Okay, I might refer to this a few times. Okay, the Smith family were on a holiday in France. At the start of the holiday, they changed £1,400 into euros. So they're changing pounds into euros. The exchange rate is £1, which is 1.16 euros. While in Spain they spend this amount, they have returned home and want to change the remaining euros back into pounds. The exchange rate is £1 is 122 euros. How much will they get for the remaining euros? The bank will only change money in multiples of 10. Okay, so we just take this like line by line, we should be able to get to where we need. So the Smith family go with £1,400 in euros. Or they want to change £1,400 into euros. So we've got the £1,400, we're changing that into a foreign currency. So we're going to multiply by our exchange rate, which is 1.16. So 1,400 multiplied by 1.16. So that's 1,624 euros. That's how much euros they have. While in Spain, they spend this amount. So they had this amount of euros, but they spend this amount. So what have they got remaining? 1,624, take away 1,216. So what they have left remaining is 408 euros. So at the end of the holiday, they've got 408 euros left. They've returned home and wanted to change their euros back into pounds sterling. The exchange rate is now £1 is equal to 1.22 euros. How much will they get for the remaining euros? The bank will only change money in multiples of 10 euros. So the bank can only accept like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, etc. So although they have 408 euros, the bank can only accept 400 of those euros because 400 is a multiple of 10. They couldn't change 410 euros because they don't have that much. So they're going to have to essentially lose 8 euros here. So they can change 400 euros. And we want to change that back to pounds. So remember, if we're going from a foreign currency to pounds, we divide by the exchange rate. So we're going to divide, and this time the exchange rate, I think it was 1.22. 1.22. So 400 divided by 1.22 is going to be £327 and 87 pence. £327 and 87 pence is what they will have remaining at the end of their trip. So if you just take it line by line, it should hopefully be quite self-explanatory here. Okay, let's get one more example. James and Diane went to Greece. At the start of their holiday, they changed £800 into euros. Okay, let's just start this off. So they had £800 and they're changing that into euros. And this time, so we're going from pounds to euros, we're going to multiply by our exchange rate. So 800 multiplied by 1.24, that's going to be 992 euros. So they've got 992 euros. While in Spain, they spend 916. We're going to 992, and we're spending 916. So to figure out what we've got left, we're going to have 76 euros left. Okay, they returned home, they want to change it back into sterling. The exchange rate is now £1 is equal to 1.19 euros. How much will they get for the remaining euros? The bank will only change multiples of 10. So the bank can accept 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So they can only accept 70 of their 76 euros. So we're taking our 70 euros, and because we're changing back to pounds, we're going to divide by our exchange rate. So 70 divided by 1.19. That's going to give us £58. No, it's not, sorry. Yes, £58 and 82 pence. that is what they will have remaining after their beautiful sunny trip in lovely Greece. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Thank you very much.